Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create this angry red face effect in CapCut PC. So here you can just prepare your videos. You can prepare any videos actually, or a video with you with your expressions, angry expressions like this, for example. And after that, you can go to where you want the angry face to start. I'm going to start here, and then let's go to effect, then click on the body effects and just click on search column and find the red face effect. Click on enter. Okay, so this one's right here. I'm going to just download it and then click on the plus icon so it will be added to the place that I wanted. So here you can see the result. Let's see. Okay, so you can always adjust it more. The effects here, I'm going to adjust the size like this, and the atmosphere I'm going to go with 100, and also the stickers 100. So this will be the result. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.